It's unboxing time, baby. Oh, bubbles. Some Polar Pro filters. We got, oh my. Oh my. Okay. Ooh, I just sat on the knife. Okay, so a company called Autel reached out to me and see if I wanted to review their Evo drone. And I'm like, I already have a drone, bro. But I was intrigued to find out that this drone shoots 4K at 60 frames a second. So I'm like, yeah, bro. So they were super kind enough to send me the Autel Evo. They actually sent me the on-the-go bundle. That includes a soft bag, 2 batteries, and propeller pair. So that's pretty cool. But the question still remains, will this replace my DJI Mavic Air? We're gonna find out. Okay, so here we are. We have the Autel Evo drone, and it's very orange. We're here at a park and we're gonna test it out for the very first time. All the batteries are charged. I tried to see if there was a firmware update. There wasn't. It seemed like it was ready to go straight out of the box. And so let's power up this bad boy and fly it. Let it light up. So that's the sound it makes. Okay, so that's on. Here is the remote right over here. Looks like a video game controller. Cool. Ah, see, look at that. Pretty bright. And then all you gotta do is just connect your phone. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. Damn. Okay. All right, let's just record. So far, a little scary. Definitely a lot more beefier motors than the DJI Mavic Air. Oh boy, here we go. And recording. Oh man, that is fast. Good gosh. Colors look really good. All right, here I am flying over the lake. Looks pretty good. Colors look really rich and vivid. And I'm shooting as flat as I can. Not necessarily log, but something neutral. Wow, that looks cool. Okay, let's bring it back around. Oh man. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's pretty windy too, but the footage that I'm seeing looks really smooth and steady. Nice. Wow, I'm impressed. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to fly this over the water. All right, here we go. All right, day 2, good morning. All right, let's go put this camera down. Woo, pretty morning here in Texas. Look at that, pretty cool. Okay, so this morning we're gonna fly both the Autel Evo and the DJI Mavic Air. Now, I'm not looking for a full technical comparison. I don't really care about that kind of stuff. The only things I really care about for any gear is usability and end result. So we're going to fly both drones, compare how easy it is to fly, try our best to film some similar shots, and then finally compare the footage at the end. All right, here we go. Here's the Mavic Air. Evo's turn. think the Autel Evo is a good drone. Definitely fast, really powerful. Image quality is insane. It looks so good. Maybe even better than the DJI Mavic Air. As far as reach, the Autel Evo definitely is better. The image transmission is definitely a lot better than the Mavic Air. Overall, they both function the same. They both have their pros and cons. If I had to pick one thing that I really don't like about the Evo is the whole gimbal holder. I'm not a big fan of gimbal protector holders anyway, but this is just, it's not really well designed and difficult to take out and difficult to put back in. Oh, it wasn't so bad. I think I have to put it in a certain way. Whoa, see what I mean? I mean, this is probably more comparable with the Mavic 2. Wow, it is getting loud. All right, we're gonna have to change locations. All right, sorry about that. Still not the best, but definitely better location. All right, let's wrap this up. All right, so should I sell my Mavic Air to keep the Autel Evo? Nah, in fact, I'm gonna keep both. From the flying that I've done, I think the Evo is a more powerful drone than the Mavic Air. I mean, 4K, 60 frames a second? Come on. And so if I wanna capture some rich, vivid, colorful drone footage, then I'm probably more keen to use the Evo over the Mavic Air. Big thanks to Autel for sending me over the drone and for also sponsoring this episode. And if you want to check out this drone, then definitely check out the link in the description below. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of drone do you fly. Let me know in the comments below, but much love to you all. Like, subscribe, and all those good things down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, fun little update. I lost that gimbal protector on the Evo. It's somewhere over here. I have no idea where I was. Pretty sure I lost it there somewhere. Oh no, if I can't find it, that means I've littered. And it was plastic. Honestly, I have no idea where it is. Oh, I feel really bad. It's plastic and I've littered. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. It was in my pocket the whole time.